This is Blake. We're gonna make our way to Andrew's house because he's a beast. And James.
I like pussy.
He does it really.
I'm a bunny. And I like rock stars. And I have a penis in my Stay down. What up, nigga, 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 nigga? Nigga, nigga, nigga.
He's not the smartest. I mean, he's not the sharpest knife in the...
Toolbox.
No, not in the toolbox.
Yes, toolbox.
No, in the drawer. Why would knives be in a toolbox?
It'd be at Target, man.
Let's go, Blake. Right or straight?
Straight.
To Narnia?
Straight.
What?
I'm straight.
I'm straight too.
I'm straight too.
I'm straighter.
I'm straight 3.
Okay. That's a used condom right there, obviously. You're better off
Dead.
Yes.
You're better off
Dead.
Better off dead.
Vagina tastes yummy.
This is a stop
like
sign.
Cake and muffins.
Taking muffins.
Cake and muffins.
What kind of are you tasting?
I'm tasting the gourmet vagina.
Oh yeah, stop sign right there. But we're not gonna stop because we're against the law.
Gourmet vagina is made by Chef Boyardee.
Ah.
Hey, this way.
Tell me what to do.
I do tell you what to do.
Poop on your face.
No. I queef in your mouth.
Yeah.
So is the toy on YouTube?
Like, you don't say that, alright?
Yes, I do.
No!
Okay, it's going on Pornhub.
Alright.
All right.
Then we have to strap on some dildos and get this party started.
We have to get a guar strap on, like the devil, and it squirts out blood.
Gwar.
Guar.
Nice.
Guar. What's hard?
Blake,
Yes.
how do you know this?
I have a fetish.
Oh, alright. I doubt it.
Hey, it's a fetish, okay? Devil strap on fetish.
I have an angel strap on.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
This kid, Dax Smith, got it for me.
That is fucking cool. So, ladies out there, if you want to add me on Xbox Live, Undead X Marine 44 is my clan tag.
Yeah, what's your gamer tag, ladies? XX Noble Beast XX.
I play Black Ops and I kick ass.
Blake almost clutches, but then he sucks and loses.
Shut up. You die.
You die.
How about you respond next round? And I have a phone call.
Pray for plagues.
Yeah.
Tacos. Tacos, tacos. Hey, there's a birdie. Pray for plagues. Hey, get off there. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Fucking Mexican, get off the border.
Whoa. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'm gonna call Andrew.
Pray for pigs.
I pray for plagues when I don't think of anything anymore.
Oh my god!
I pray for plagues when I can't think of anything else to pray for. I pray for plagues.
Blazers.
You pray for
They took the Blazers.
plagues.
No, they're not here.
They're not?
My house.
How? How aren't they here? How are they not home yet?
I don't know.
It's like 1 o'clock. Yeah?
It's because they go to Sam's Club and buy some.
Buy what?
They buy cocaine at Sam's Club.
Oh, alright. Let's go to Alex's house.
We're gonna Alex's house.
Yeah.
I'm Dr. Roxo and I like cocaine.
Cocaine.
Andrew's calling. Andrew. Oh my god. Are you home? Grab price. Wait, call us when you get home because we want to hang out with you. You.
Andrew.
Alright, well, you better give me my fucking iPad. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Blake says bye-bye for me.
you're pretty.
Thank you.
Fucking iPod.
Thank you.
Not you.
Haha, you know it.
You're fat.
I know.
You're a whore.
I know.
You're a gooch.
No. I'm okay with being a whore and a hooker and an Asian prostitute, but not fat, okay? That hurts my feelings.
Asian prostitutes have fucking like diseases in their mouth from giving too many blowjobs.
I know, girl.
Fucking weirdo.
Hey, y'all. Blake has genitalia herpes.
I get beef.
You get beef? What?
I get beef.
That's when the crowd audience goes, what?
I go nigga.
Say it with me. What?
Nigga, please.
Nigga, please.
Nigga, please.
Bitch.
Hey, don't make fun of us. We listen to Screamo.
My nipples are so hard they can cut glass in a single swipe.
Yeah, we were playing Black Ops last night, and Blake's nibbles cut his TV.
I know, there's plasma everywhere on the floor.
Yeah. And I tried to eat one, but then Blake said no, and I still did it, and I'm still alive.
I think I tried eating a puke there.
What?
You ate a puke there.
No, I didn't.
You ate a puke there. We
No,
all
I
ate a
didn't.
puke
We all ate a few there?
there. No, you ate a puke there.
No.
ate
You cut it in half, and you said, I'll give you $10,000 for you. And alright. So I ate it. Where's my money?
You ate your mom's puke there.
No.
That didn't count.
That's icky.
Okay, guys, because we're coming home.
We're not going to Alex's?
I don't know. Call her later.
Alright.
Stupid.
What are we going to do at your house?
We can upload the video to YouTube. Stop the video.
Bye-bye, everybody.